Let's now start with this examples here. Use the areas shown in the figure to find. I want now to find the integration from a to b of f of x. Here we have a figure at number 19, and I want to find now the integration from a to b for f of x dx. From a to b, I'm talking about this area, is it right?
Yes.
So the integration of f of x from a to b is the area, which is 0.8. The area here is 0.8, so the integration will be also 0.8. This is for the first one, a. Let's find now b. The integration from b, be careful, I start from down to up, from b to c. From b to c. What's the area under here?
2.6.
Yes, but positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Thank you, Shahid. It is negative 2.6. Now let's talk about C. The integration from A to C. From A to C. What is it? From A to C, how many functions here, or how many shaded area we have?
Two shaded area.
Two shaded area. So I will say it's from A to B plus from B to C. From A to C, this one here, they are passing two areas, AB, then BC. So from A to B is 0.8, and from B to C is negative 0.26. Then by adding them or subtracting them, we will find that the answer is negative 1.8. So from A to C, that means it's from A to B and from B to C. 0.8 plus negative 2.6, you will find the area. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Let's now see D. In D here, I want you to find the integrated area from A to D for f of x dx. From A to D. Yalla, from A to D, how many shaded area we have?
Three shaded area.
3. So we say from A to D will be from A to B plus from B to C plus from C to D. From A to B, B, C, C, D. From A to B, it is 0.8. The area here is 0.8. From B to C, it's negative 2.6, as we said. And from C to D,
1.5.
it is 1.5. So now let's add them here. 0.8 plus 1.5, 2.3 minus 2.6, it will be negative 0.3. So the area of A to D for f of x dx is 0.3. Or sorry, negative 0.3, yes. Is it clear now, number 19 here?
Yes, teacher.
Now you have number 20 as a homework on the discussion room. Try to solve it. Let's now do number 21. Find the integration from -1 to 2 of f of x plus 2g of x dx. Here, the given data for me that the integration from -1 to 2 of f of x is 5. And the integration from -1 to 2 also for g of x is -3. So here, be careful. The given data from -1 to 2, they must be from -1 to 2, -1 to 2, and here -1 to 2. That we must talk about the same interval. Yeah. هلا the integration from -1 to 2 of f of x plus g of x 2g of x dx. What I have to do first, I have to distribute the integration on f of x and into g of x. So it's the integration from -1 to 2 of f of x plus the integration of -1 to 2 to g of x. Then the second step, after I distribute the function, here we have integration of f of x from -1 to 2, and since we have a constant here, let's put the constants outside the function. So we say it is 2, then integration from -1 to 2 g of x. I take apart the constant outside the function. Then the integration from, be careful about the interval, the integration from -1 to 2 f of x, this one here, what is equal? It's equal 5. Plus 2 times here the integration from -1 to 2 of g of x is what?
Is -3.
-3. Exactly. I evaluate now with -3. So 5 plus -6 is -1. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Do you have any question?
No.
Now, this is number 21. Number 22, it is a homework on the discussion room. Let's solve now number 23 here. Find, now be careful, look at this one here. Find the integration from 1 to 5, f of x dx, if the integration from 0 to 1 is -2, and from 0 to 5 is 1. Here, that's why I told you be careful about the interval that I'm talking about it. Here they ask me about the interval from 1 to 5. And they told me the integration from 0 to 1 and from 0 to 5. Who can give me the idea here? What can I do? Now, here, what did we have? the greater one, we have 1 to 5 and 0 to 1 and 0 to 5. Which from these integral are the greatest interval?
0 to 5.
0 to 5, exactly. So here I'm talking about 0 to 5. From 0 to 5 is given. And so from 0 to 5, it is given. Let's draw it now like this, which is 1. And from 0 to 1, they told me that it's -2. Here, it's -2. And from 0 to 5, it is 1. In other words, imagine them like this. Here we have 0, here we have 5. From 0 to 5, it is 1. And from 0 to 1, it is -2. They ask me now to find from 1 to 5. How can we find it? Yes, grade 11, 12. How can we find the integration from 1 to 5 here?
By finding the area?
No.
1 minus 2.
Exactly, 1 minus -2. Thank you. Why? Now, we said that the integration from 0 to 5 f of x from 0 to 5 is from 0 to 1, and I started from 0, passing from 1. Then since I end here with 1, I will start from 1 here, then I will end with the interval here, which is 5. So from 0 to 5, from 0 to 5, if I want to go through it, I will say it's from 0 to 1 and from 1 to 5. From 0 to 1 and then from 1 to 5. From 0 to 1, f of x, and 1 to 5, f of x also. Now, from 0 to 5, it's given. It is 1. Equals. From 0 to 1, it's -2. It's given 2. Plus, from 1 to 5, it is unknown. And after that, it's come like equation. Plus 2 plus 2. So the integration from 1 to 5 f of x dx is 1 plus 2, which is 3. One minute, please. Yes, is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
So they asked me about from 1 to 5, and I have from 0 to 1 and from 0 to 5. So I said from 0 to 5, it can be distributed as 0, 1, and 1, 5. We be careful, look here, from 0 to 5. So when you write the integration, you must start with 0, ending with 5. From 0 to 5, you have to start from 0, ending with 5. If you pass from any number, which is number 1 here, you can use it, but you must write it here in the first integration and in the second integration. So from 0 to 5, it's from 0 to 1, and then from 1 to 5. You can use it by this line segment from 0 to 1, and then from 1 to 5 is the same as if you want to go from 0 to 5. Now, they asked me to find from 1 to 5. This is unknown, but I have from 0 to 1, and I have from 0 to 5. By subtracting, you will get the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay. Now you have 3 questions. I put them as a homework on the discussion room. Please solve it tomorrow. I will solve it with you, and I will give you more examples. If you have any question, please ask me tomorrow about them. As I told you, you have 3 questions.